tutorial I'm going to show you how to loosely lace your Adidas Campus. Let's get started. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to push the tongue down into the shoe a little bit. That means we can get to the holes on either side a bit more easily. And we're going to take our lace and bring it down through the outside first hole. Bring the lace up a little bit into the shoe, and then when you take the lace across, just make sure you're flattening it as you go. And the end of the lace is going to go into the inside first hole. And to make sure that your laces are the same length as you come up the shoe, if you take the end of the laces together, hold them and pull up through the shoe, you'll make sure that your laces are the same length. The first thing I'm going to do is just make sure that that bar's coming there nice and flat. And then we're going to start off with the outside lace, bringing it across the shoe to the inside second hole. Just going to hook that lace on my finger a little bit, just to make sure that it's not too loose and it's not too tight. And then we're going to take the inside lace across the shoe and bring it down through the outside second hole. So just make sure as you're going as well that you're pushing the lace over one over the other, and then they'll get that nice overlapping look as you kind of make your way up the shoe. And I'm going to keep the outside lace in my hand. I'm going to bring it down through the inside third hole. I'm going to take the inside lace across the shoe to the outside third hole. And I'm just going to stop there to make sure that all the laces are overlapping as they make their way up the shoe. Then we're going to take the outside lace across the shoe to the inside fourth hole. And then the inside lace across the shoe to the outside fourth hole. As I make my way up the shoe, I'm just making sure that as I go, I'm making the loops that I'm making a little bit looser, because the tongue is quite chunky and it gets bigger as you get to the top, so it takes up more of the shoe. And you want to make sure that your laces are nice and loose, because otherwise when that comes back up, it'll be a little bit tight across the top. So I'm going to take the outside lace now across the shoe to the inside fifth hole. And then the inside lace across the shoe to the outside fifth hole. Just again, stop to make sure that they're nicely overlapped. Pull your shoe out a little bit to make sure that they are starting to edge out a little bit looser as you make your way up. And then we're going to take the outside lace across the shoe to the inside sixth hole. And the inside lace across the shoe to the outside sixth hole. And then the outside lace, hold it in your hand, take it this time not down through the hole but out through the opposite last hole. I'm going to leave that a little bit loose there as well, just a little bit hanging out, and then take the inside lace across the shoe and we're going to take it out through the outside last hole. So I'm just making sure that those laces are the same length as each other. And then you'll see as I bring up the tongue that it does get a little bit tighter, so because I've got a little bit of space here, just pull out on the last one before, and then just make sure that all your laces are overlapping as you work your way down through the shoe. And there you have your Adidas Campus loosely laced. I hope that was helpful. If it was, please make sure to give it a thumbs up, and if you're new to the channel, for future videos, subscribe. Thanks for watching.